I say something funny?
Something funny. You got to say something funny.
I told Harry I hate school. I would rather do an electrical service naked on an aluminum ladder in the middle of a rainstorm than take a class. But I have to say the class was awesome and Harry is a really good teacher.
Bam!
This was one of the best.
Domingo!
This was one of the best experiences I had, though, man. You know what I mean? It was like, it was a real tight experience, man.
I didn't pay him for that. I did not pay him for that.
I know,
That
man.
was heartfelt.
If you're gonna pay me, I'll say something real vicious. But yeah, it was
Domingo,
it was amazing.
Did you learn anything, Domingo?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he learned. Don't forget his glasses, number one. You know.
You're on the spot.
I'm gonna miss this class.
You gonna miss the teacher?
I'm gonna miss everybody.
Oh, that's so cute.
Papa Erwin,
Yes, sir.
how was your experience?
Really good. Really good. Now this.
Come on,
man. Hey.
come on.
Yeah.
Call me hair, bro. You got like 4 hairs standing up, bro.
Which was my camera?
You're looking good.
Huh? No, it was a really good experience. This class made me realize that what I have as a practice, see the theory right behind it, and I feel like I'm better electrician now than before.
That's my job, to make you a better electrician.
You want me kitchen?
Harry, you're not gonna believe this. I just passed the test. I'm pinching myself. I don't believe it either. Thank you for everything. I couldn't have done it without you. You're the best, baby.
Great class, great people, great experience, learned a lot. Gonna pass the test.
Okay, is somebody behind my ass?
No.
Amen.
The Deloach is a very good teacher.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Mr. Deloach is a very good teacher. He'll help you with all your code-related questions and testing.
I was scared coming in.
How scared were you?
I was scared,
Terrified.
terrified. I wouldn't have passed it without taking this course.
Say it again?
I wouldn't pass it without taking this course.
That makes me feel good. How do you feel about your proficiency level?
Confident,
Confident.
strong like bull.
That's it? You think the system will help?
Absolutely.
All right. Listen, do you think you can give Nate a hug?
Nate,
Come on, give Nate a hug. I don't think Nate gives
Nate.
a hug.
All right,
That's a good one.
all right.